Whoa, oh, oh. She came from the Salton Ocean wind, where the palms lean low and the mists begin. Brown eyes holding that island light, like the first soft break of a Fijian sky. Barefoot faith and a steady soul. She knows the soil that made her whole. Every step she takes with grace carries the rhythm of her place. And when she speaks, the world slows down. I hear home in every sound. She's my Fijian lady, born a reef and red of ground. Got the whole wide world in a smile, and the village in her heart right now. When I'm lost, she's my compass point, my calm, my strength, my forever shore. Yeah, my love came from Fiji, but she's everything I'm living for. Whoa, whoa. She's got laughter like Sunday songs, rising up when the nights feel long. Strong like the women who whispered her name, carried through fire, carried through rain. She loves deep, she loves true, teaches me things I never knew. How to stand, how to stay, how to pray when there's nothing left to say. She's my Fijian lady, saw the sunlight in her soul. Every mile we've ever gone still feels like home when I hold her close. If the tides pull hard on me, she's the anchor I trust for sure. Yeah, my love came from Fiji, but she's everything I'm living for. Whoa, whoa. This new verse builds the narrative of your life together. Across the water, through the years, she shared my joy and dried my tears. From the dust of the bush to the city light, she's the steady flame in the coldest nights. A daughter of the great sea reef, feeling every shadow of my grief. She's the promise kept, the open door, the only heart I'm looking for. Musically, this should build in intensity. Vanua in her heartbeat, ancestors in her eyes. She walks with them beside her every day, every night.